We are in the middle of meme coin season and there are new coins appearing every day. This one that I'm going to talk today is pretty interesting because it's coming from one of the very well-known crypto airdrop chaser Mingo, and he's collaborating with a couple of other guys on bringing you coin called Drop, where you actually can claim everything. You don't have to buy it. If you were eligible for Arbitrum airdrop, you could claim Drop for free on Arbitrum. This is a meme coin that is running on Arbitrum. It's using PEPE as well as its meme, so it's connected somehow to PEPE, and most of the tokens will be claimed through the airdrop. You can claim the airdrop as well as invite your friends to claim as well, making your claim bigger as well. So this is the website arpdrop.one. I put the link down below in the description, and this is the idea behind the token. They want to basically try the novelty of actually having the entire token being airdropped to users. Of course, you can buy always more on one of the exchanges, but primarily you can claim everything and get the token this way for free, just paying for the gas. So the tokens is basically about joining airdrop communities of people who are chasing airdrops. As I've mentioned, Mingo, you probably might know him from Twitter, Mingo airdrop. I have also mentioned him a couple of times regarding to a couple of airdrops because he posted, tweeted about multiple interesting stuff related to various crypto airdrops. So definitely recommend following him if you're chasing for crypto airdrops. And the token itself has Drop Arp Twitter handle, so we can also check that. Quickly growing, just launched a couple of hours ago, and this is the website as well. So the droponomics or tokenomics is most of the stuff is going into liquidity pool, 70%, 20% is going to airdrop. There will be some 7% is reserved for exchange listings, and 3% for airdrop referral pool. So altogether, as you can see, there is no way in the beginning of buying early. At least, well, if you knew about the creation of liquidity pool, you could buy pretty early, but then a lot of the token is actually airdrop to users, which is pretty great. So they have a Discord and they have a Twitter. Of course, this is not a financial advice, definitely not recommending to buy it, but definitely check out the website, and if you're eligible, try to claim it. Really cool experiment in how virality might work, and cool that they're doing that on Arbitrum because the gas is substantially lower than on Ethereum. So cool to see that. Also, if you have problems connecting the wallet, make sure that you are on Arbitrum. For some reason it doesn't change automatically, so if you have any problems with connecting or claiming, just change the MetaMask wallet to Arbitrum before proceeding, and then you should be able to claim without any problems. For everything else, of course, subscribe to my channel. I tend to cover a lot of crypto airdrops, new coins, new DeFi, new NFTs, and much more. So subscribe and see you in the next video.